Good afternoon, everyone. I'm standing outside of Hicksville number 2, and as you saw in the earlier clips, we were done paving just a few minutes ago. Hicksville number 1 is already paved, and today I want to introduce you guys to Hicksville number 2 at its almost complete phase. I've been bringing you guys along since we were digging this hole way back in the winter, and now today I'm actually going to be putting the house on the market. This is actually a little bit different than how I like to do things. As you're aware, Hicksville number 1 is already in contract, and usually I list the house at some point during the framing or foundation so I can get a buyer in early. But with the security of Hicksville number 1 in contract, I took a little bit of a gamble with Hicksville number 2, and I decided, you know what, I'm going to choose the tile, I'm going to choose the kitchen, I'm going to finalize the layout and then bring it to the market. There's an insane amount of competition, very low inventory, so I'm hoping that this move pays off and that we'll be in contract in a couple weeks. So we're almost done. I'm gonna take you guys on a formal tour when this house is 100% complete. But as of right now, we're waiting for the countertops. I have 1 coat of poly left on the floors. I gotta do 1 coat of paint on the walls. I got my appliances coming in probably later in the week. And the backyard is complete. Yesterday we laid out the sod. You gotta see this backyard. This is how every build is delivered. Don't mind the sod. It's definitely going to green up a little bit after a couple of days of watering. We're actually supposed to get some heavy rain tomorrow, so that should be good. So we're in the master suite now, and this is a prime example of some of the things that I have missing. That countertop wasn't delivered yet, or I should say it came broken and the replacement hasn't been delivered yet. So the point is that I'm far enough along now where I have the completed exterior photos that will definitely drive the traffic. As I mentioned in earlier episodes, that curb appeal is so crucial. A lot of people put a build on the market with a picture of the blueprints. This is going to be something that's 100% complete and ready to close. So I'm hoping that these few odds and ends will be wrapped up in the next week or two, and we'll be in contract hopefully, by the end of July, early August. I just want to close out today's episode with an update at Hicksville number 1. The driveway was paved a couple hours ago, and now we're just waiting for the kitchen cabinets to get delivered. Unfortunately, there was some custom aspects to this kitchen that were back ordered, but the buyer was very adamant about certain aspects of the kitchen, so we're going to wait, and those will be received in a couple weeks. In the meantime, we're wrapping up just about everything else, and as soon as that kitchen comes in, we're going to install it, get the countertops in, and finish our inspections and close on this thing. When both of these builds are 100% complete, I'm gonna bring you back inside, outside, drone footage, before and after, and show you everything that we've been through this past 6 months. In the meantime, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram at Pinnacle Real Estate for more of my daily updates. Have a great day, everyone.